Breaking, leaked report reveals President Kiir's exit strategy. Based on the information in the ground, Mr. President, Salva Kiir, President of the Republic of South Sudan, is planning to leave on July 2025 for medical purpose. On top of that, he had a plan to hand over the country to the young tycoon, his son-in-law Vice President, Dr. Benjamin Bolmel, to be the acting president during his medical treatment period. This information was leaked out from insiders within the circle with President Salva Kiir. And this rumors is far from the truth, we all know. Credible sources close to the presidency have revealed that President Salva Kiir is allegedly preparing to resign by the end of July 2025, marking a historic turning point in South Sudan's political landscape. According to the leak, the president is also working behind the scenes to reunify the fragmented SPLM party, in a move seen as an effort to restore the legacy of the liberation movement and promote long-term stability. In a surprising twist, the reported plan involves transferring leadership to First Vice President Dr. Riek Machar, with businessman and political figure Bolmel poised to assume the role of second-in-command, deputy president. This potential arrangement could reshape the future of governance in South Sudan and influence the 2025 electoral roadmap. These developments, if confirmed, could mark a significant step toward national reconciliation. Following years of conflict, political fragmentation, and fragile peace agreements. Stay tuned to Lear TV for in-depth analysis and real-time updates as this story develops. President Salva Kiir of South Sudan has faced ongoing health concerns in recent years, marked by limited public appearances and adjustments to his medical support team.